What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I'm really excited because I'm kind of bringing you another version of the video I did about AliExpress, and I'm kind of going to tell you how to order from Shein. Like, I ordered for the first time 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to be giving you guys the tea on everything. I'm going to be telling you about customs, telling you about delivery, telling you about the prices, and telling you how to order. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video. If you guys are interested, do keep on watching. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I would also really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. So yeah, with all of that said, I think it's time for us to hop straight into the video. So let's go. Okay, so when it comes to what I ordered like a small little tester order kind of thing, just so I could see what's going on. When it comes to the number one question is, how long do they take to deliver? They take exactly 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm going to actually hop onto my phone and give you guys all the details. So I put in my order on the 28th of October, and it got to me yesterday on the 10th. Right, so I actually was looking at it, and it took almost 2 weeks. It took 13 days. It is really nice. I wasn't expecting it to actually get here in 2 weeks, but it actually did. And what they do on the site is they give you a prolonged expectation. So an estimated delivery, the estimated delivery that I got was 11 December. Right, and I ordered on the 28th of October. I think they only do that just to like make you chill, for you not to get like super crazy about things that don't come. I don't think they want to tell you that, oh, expect it in 2 weeks, and then it doesn't come. And a lot of the other YouTubers that I was watching actually do say 2 weeks as well. If you want to wear something on a particular day, just plan 2 weeks before, and yeah, make sure that you order on that day. It is pretty secure that you will actually get your package. Then I want to talk about customs. So I did not pay any customs, and this is how big my bag is. My total was 1,400. Normally something like that would incur some sort of custom fee. I know that a lot of times people say expect 10% to 15% of your order. I think if you order way more, maybe if you order like 3,000 Rand or 4,000 Rand worth of stuff, then maybe expect something. But with my order, I didn't pay. So what I'm going to do in the future is I'm always going to split my orders so that each order is like maybe 1,500, 1,300, around there, because now I know that that doesn't incur any fees, you know. And then how much is delivery? So they charge around 350 to 370. So that's how much you should expect to pay for your delivery, and that's with anything. I have things in my cart right now, and I've only got 4 items, and I'm still paying that 370 delivery fee. And yeah, that was the same with this. I think I had 6 or 7 items in this order, and it was still 370. So it's not the type of order fee that will go up with how many items you get. So if you get one thing, you're still gonna pay the 370. If you get 2 things, like, it's like that. And then you have a shipping guarantee fee that you pay, but that's 15 Rand, and you can choose to take that off. On my account, I don't see another shipping option that you get. I just see standard shipping and that shipping guarantee. There isn't that 5 to 10 day express shipping. There isn't that option at all. So yeah, with Shein, if you order over 4,000 Rand, you get free shipping. So yeah, that's basically what to expect when it comes to the actual payment for your shipping. You pay around 370 for delivery, and then you pay 15 Rand for guaranteed shipping, and if you buy anything more than 4,000 Rand, you get free shipping. So yeah, and there's no other shipping option, just standard shipping. And then the actual shopping experience, I downloaded the app. I recommend that you download the app, mainly because it's very organized, and I just enjoy the app better than being online. I am like that with almost every place that I shop from. I would rather have the actual app than go online. Like their websites, it's just easier in my opinion. So yeah, I've got the app and I really liked shopping on there. Shein is huge. It's like a very big website. There are so many things. There's literally anything that you can think of. There's home stuff, there's pet stuff, there's workout stuff, there's women, there's men, there's plus size, there's kids. There are so many things on the site, so you can scroll on there for a long time. And yeah, I enjoy the shopping experience on there. One thing I love about the shopping experience is I'm the type of person who puts things into wish lists and then categorizes them and then puts them into my basket. I buy things according to, it's just like a thing that I do, right? So I like putting things into my wish list, especially because it's such a big site. You actually do want to put things and separate them into your wish list so that you can find them. So what I like about the wish list is that obviously they'll tell you like when something's out of stock on your wish list. But another feature that I really like is the find similar. So sometimes I'm looking on there and I'm like, I like this but I don't love it, I want something similar to it. So I will just put it in my wish list, go to my wish list, and I can find similar and it will give me similar items. And I love that feature. I absolutely love it. I think it just makes shopping so easy, and it can really help you find exactly what you want, because sometimes you don't know the description, so you just know that no, this is the style of thing I want, I just want a different one, you know. So yeah, I really like that. And yeah, the shopping experience in a whole is just amazing. The prices are good. I can't complain about the prices. And also they actually do give you prices in rand, so that is like, I love that. I hate when you go onto a shop, and especially the app, and they don't have the ZAR option. It's annoying. It's annoying to me. I avoid it, and it just makes the experience so much better. Yeah, the prices are pretty good, honestly. You can get dresses for 200 rand, you can get them for 100 rand, you can get shoes for 200 rand, you can get shoes for up to 400 rand. There are things that are more premium, more expensive, because they do have a premium range. But yeah, like it's good, you know. I'm not complaining about it. And then communication. Their communication is quite honestly very top notch. The tracking details are very detailed. Even if the item is moving within the same country, they'll let you know. I love that. I love that. I don't care if it's still in the same country, if it's moved from place to place, I want to know. And they really do, they do let you know. So yeah, I can't complain about that. It's very good. The communication on email is also good. When I received my item, they asked me on my email and on the app, did I receive it? And I confirmed my delivery. And yeah, the communication is good. I haven't had an issue, so I haven't had to go to like customer relations or anything like that, or returns. I haven't needed to do that. I haven't even seen the things yet. But yeah, other than that, it's a good site, man. It's a good app. It's good. Also, the review section of Shein is... So I'm the type of person who, because of my body proportions, I need to read reviews. Especially if I'm buying a dress, I really need to see reviews, and I need to see them on other people. I need to see the dress on other people, and Shein has just that. So their review section is my favorite. And because it's such a big site, and it's a Chinese website, you guys, so a lot of people have bought and a lot of people have written reviews. And also you can filter the reviews. So if you're a medium like me and you're looking for something in a particular color, you can filter the reviews. So you can say, I want reviews of people that ordered a medium in this certain color, and I want a review with pictures. I don't necessarily want to hear what they have to say. I actually want to see how it looks on their body. So they've got that feature, which is... love it. I'm obsessed with that feature. And they've also got the scale where they say, do most people rate that this item is smaller than what it claims, fits true to size, or it runs a bit large? And I love the fact that you can see that off the jump. So yeah, love that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't think there'll be other questions, quite honestly. I think I've covered quite a lot. If you do have a question, however, do comment down below. But right now we're about to hop into the try-on section. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so it's time for us to do the haul. This is how my package came shipped to me. I actually appreciate the fact that it's just the standard white, because a lot of people that order from sites like this get their stuff stolen because it's loud. Like it says Shein, it says pretty little thing, it says, you know, like popular websites like that, you can get your stuff stolen. And it came shipped to me with Aramex. So this is how it looks inside. Everything looks like it's individually like wrapped up. Okay, so let me explain why I got the things that I got. So like I said in the beginning, this was like a test run type of situation. I wanted to see, and I didn't want to get my heart broken if anything, you know, like didn't work out. So I got like loungewear and pajama type of things, and the main reason why is because first of all, it's summer. I like to get new pajamas every season. I like to get winter pajamas when it's like the start of winter. I like to get summer pajamas at the beginning of summer. Like I just like to do that. And also I like to look cute when I go to bed. Like it's actually my thing. Like I like to look cute. And yeah, like for winter I looked so cute, but for summer I just had like big t-shirts that I was sleeping in. So I was like, nah, this has to end. Let me get some cute stuff. So yeah, I basically did that. I got some cute stuff, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. Plus it's not like going out pieces, so if like I didn't get like a beautiful dress, I wasn't gonna get like my heart broken, or if it didn't fit right or anything like that. So this was my test run, and from the way things like this fit, I can tell like how other types of materials are gonna fit on me, and the quality that Shein provides. So yeah, so things kind of come individually wrapped in like this Ziploc. It's a very nice quality like little package that you can keep for like traveling or anything like that. If you've got swimsuits, keep things like this because you can put them in here and like travel with them. But yeah, and also it's like a see-through type of thing, and it just says Shein on it with just like a warning about the plastic, and that's basically how it comes. Let's open the first one. I'm excited about this because it's so cute, you guys. So this is the letter graphic rib cami pajama set, and off the bat, I'm not mad at this quality, but I got a large because I got like a large in most of these sets because I'm a medium, but I hate being squished in pajamas. Does that make sense? And also I'm trying to avoid actually sleeping in underwear, so I'm not trying to have things rub onto me too tight. I hate that. Have you ever tried to sleep in shorts that are too small? Or shorts that fit you too right? Like I believe that pajamas should be big. Like I think they should be airy and big. So yeah, you guys will see in the side by side, but it's this beautiful blush pink, and I love the bottoms, you guys. I think they're so cute. They've just got this really cute detail right here, and I'm in love. It's a beautiful like salmony light pink, and then the cami crop top, which is perfect because I don't like to feel too loose in the top, but I also really don't want things to squish my boobs too much. This is also same quality, very nice. But what I will say is I thought that the words would be like maybe embroidered on. They aren't. They're kind of just on there, like slapped on there. I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, this is still a very cute baby pink top, and I'm not mad at the quality, quite honestly. It's not too thick, which is exactly what I was looking for. I'm not trying to burn up in my summer pajamas, but yeah, I like this. And then next up, what is, oh, this I got as like a mix and match type of thing. So in case I'm like annoyed at the top or the crop top that one of these sets comes with, I just got a normal standard cami. So this is just called the Rib Long Line Wireless Bra, and I love sleeping in stuff like this. I don't know about you, but I love sleeping in stuff like this. However, it does come with padding. I hate padding. I hate padding. Oh, I'm so glad that it actually comes with like a little hole in the side so I can take this out, because I've got big boobs. I don't need padding. I also don't think anybody would want to sleep in padding. So I'm gonna throw the padding away, and this is like literally exactly what I love sleeping in. Pretty chill. It's got adjustable straps, you know. I think this is perfect. This is perfect. All right, so the next thing I got is kind of something I've been rocking quite a lot of. I just wanted a new one and I wanted it extremely big. So the next thing I got is a graphic t-shirt, but I got it in a 4XL because I love when t-shirts are huge. You don't have to wear anything underneath and you can sleep in them. So this is a really big t-shirt, but it's got like this really cute design on it. I love this. I'll have everything listed down below, but I think I got that in a plus size, quite honestly. Yeah. Okay, I'm excited about this. Wait, I don't know which one it is. Okay, so I got some pink pajamas. I'm such a girly girl, and when I saw this I was like, I have to have it. So this is this cute set, you guys, but this is the type of thing that you definitely don't want to get in your size, and you definitely don't want to get it too small because it will cut the fuck out of your vagina. So I got this striped Victoria's Secret inspired type satin pajama set. So it comes with shorts, but it just comes with like this little crop situation. I know I'm not going to be able to sleep in something like this, but I do have like a pajama party that I'm going to, so I might wear this. So yeah, this is what I got, you guys. I love this. It's got frills at the bottom, and I'm just like, guys, this is so fucking cute. So yeah, that's what I got. And then the next thing that I got is that material, but it's an actual gown. So I've got a winter gown. I needed a summer one. I needed something that I could just throw on and it would be cute, and I'm obsessed with it. It's literally the same thing. I love this so much, gents. This is so cute, and it's literally so thin. Like, it is the perfect just summer satin gown to throw on, and it's girly and I love it, and I'm just obsessed. Okay, wait, does it have loops? Okay, y'all gave me a belt, but you guys didn't give me loops. Deadass. Like, I've got a belt, I've got a belt, I just do not have loops for the belt. So yeah, that's awkward, but we'll figure something out. And I think this is the last thing. Yes, this is the last thing. This is another pajama set, and I'm in love because it's got a very usable top. Like I said, I like to sleep in tops like this. For like other sets, I can wear this with other stuff as well, and I just think it's so cute. It's ribbed, it's thin, perfect for the summer. And the shorts are so cute, you guys. They're like the girliest thing. They say baby girl on the butt, and they're like this magenta pink, and they've got this fake drawstring. It doesn't actually work. And this is also ribbed, and they've just got like that outline of white at the bottom. And yeah, so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you found that informative if you've been looking to shop on Shein. And yeah, I'm not mad at the quality. Nothing is falling apart. Obviously, I haven't washed anything, so I don't know, but like I said, it is affordable, fast fashion. And yeah, I don't think anything here is like super great quality that will last you for years, but it is fast fashion that is cute and you can wear it. And I'm excited to wear my little cute little pajamas. But now that I know like how to actually order from Shein, I think I'm going to be ordering way more. So let me know, have you ordered? What was your experience? And will you be ordering now that you've seen this video? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you do, or if you feel so inclined, please do thumbs up this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.